Hi, I'm Kelsey with Peacock Family Chiropractic. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry gelato, which is a delicious ice cream. This is advanced plan approved for MaxLiving. So you're going to start off with 10 ounces of strawberries, ideally organic and frozen. One avocado that's ripe. So I just slice it down the center, turn it. And then if you'd like, you can add a few drops of Stevia. Put it all in your blender and then blend it up for a few minutes. Okay, so it took a little bit of extra encouragement since I didn't have a blender that has like a plunger piece like some of the other blenders have, but it turned out great after I encouraged it a little bit, let it warm up a little bit and blend it again. So enjoy your strawberry gelato.